Well, hello YouTube. Today I'm going to replace my dishwasher. It's an LG. I'll put the model number down in the description. The door handle is broken off. So I've already detached it from the countertop. Now I just got to pull her out. And you can see I've already taken off the side panels, side access panels. And that's where the straps are. They're not really straps, they're springs. So what's happened here is, that's the spring. It's attached down here. This comes around this way anyway. That comes off. And it snapped. There's one on this side and one on the other side. So I've already ordered the parts. The parts came in. And that's what they look like there. Parts number. So we'll get at it here. This side hasn't broken yet, but I got both to replace it anyway, so I think it's just worthwhile replace it while you've got it all opened up. Let's take a look, see what it looks like. And now I'll try to get this one off. Let's see. Must have been quite the tension for it to spin it right around like that when it snapped. Actually, when I pulled it out, the spring was down here sticking out like this. So that's quite a bit of tension that's released when that snapped. These doors are really heavy, which surprised me. Go. It's better. Plastic and rope. So let's get the first one going here. Not very impressed with this dishwasher. Just doesn't seem to get things clean enough. We've tried all different kind of detergents and everything else, but it just never seems to really get things all that clean. Let's see. I'm using this side as a reference to what has to go where and how. properly attaches. So this goes around like that on the hook. And let's see if there's anything different. Simple as just reattaching that. Making sure that you go around, you gotta put a little bit of tension on that, making sure that you go around the pulley. But I think I'm going to attach it here first. Like yay. And then go around. And that's that. Oh, better. Much better. Much better. That other one's still pretty good, so I may not change that one out. I'm just going to leave it like it is, I think. So that's what that looks like. It's just a quick video to show you how to change. I've never changed them before, but that's what they look like. Now she works perfectly. Beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching, and I will have another video coming up soon. I got to replace my furnace thermostat is on the fritz. I'm going to put in probably a Wi-Fi digital thermostat, control, programmable. And I'm going to be doing a bathtub spout. My bathtub spout is kaput. So thanks for watching and have a great day.